In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use judge.me for your Shopify store in 2025. If you've been looking to enhance customer interaction and trust on your online store, reviews are a great way to do just that. And Judge Me is a fantastic tool to streamline this process. So let's dive right in and begin our step-by-step walkthrough. We start by opening Shopify and heading over to your store's homepage. Once you're there, look for the settings option. It's usually located in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will open up a variety of customizable features for your store. Now you want to find the Apps and Sales Channels tab. This section is where you can manage your installed Shopify apps, which is crucial for setting up Judge.me. Next, click on the Shopify App Store link, which will take you directly to the App Store interface. Here, use the search bar and type in judge.me. After a quick search, you should see the judge.me product reviews app at the top of the list. Click on it to take you to the app's page where you can learn more about its features. To proceed, locate and click the install button. This will initiate the installation of judge.me on your Shopify store. It might prompt you to confirm some permissions, so go ahead and do so. Once installed, let's set it up so that it's fully functional on your store. Click on the Start Setup button to launch the onboarding process for Judge.me. An essential step here is to enable App Embed. Doing so integrates Judge.me into your store's digital infrastructure, allowing it to display product reviews effectively. Don't forget to click Save afterward to ensure your changes are applied. Now it's time to install the review widget. A pop-up may ask for permission, so click Install Review Widget. This will allow customer reviews to be displayed on your products. Make sure to click Save once more. With these steps, you're ready to add star ratings. By clicking on Install Star Ratings, you enable customers to visually evaluate products at a glance. If you're not ready to proceed with this feature, there's an option to skip, giving you the flexibility to tailor this setup to your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to finalize the initial setup. You're nearly finished with integrating Judge Me. Select Finish to close out the main setup process. To fully utilize Judge Me's capabilities, you'll want to explore the app further. Click on Explore Judge.me, which takes you to its main dashboard. From there, you can manage reviews, import and sync existing ones, and even access questions and answers to boost customer interaction. Finally, don't forget about the Collect Reviews feature. It encourages previous customers to share their opinions, helping potential buyers make informed decisions. And just like that, you're all set with Judge Me on your Shopify store, perfectly positioned to enhance trust and transparency with your customers. Enjoy the newfound dynamic and interaction on your e-commerce platform.